My cousin mocks me. Big dreams come with big disappointment. When I tell him about all my big dreams and goals in life, but I tell him anything is possible if I believe in myself. In addition, nothing is more powerful than the will to burgeon and thrive, and nothing is impossible. It may take some time, but it is possible if you try and believe in yourself and believe that you can accomplish that goal. You may also have to put some lots of effort and hard work into something you are doing, but the satisfaction of accomplishing or finishing that task or goal is a meritorious reward that goes beyond what you can imagine. Every day as I face new challenges and hardships, I set goals for myself and try to accomplish every single one of them. The goals can be as easy as getting my vocabulary sentences done by tonight, or as formidable as getting an A this semester in English. Of course, I do not accomplish every single one of those goals, but I would like to. When I do fail doing something, I pick myself right back up and find a mistake and fix it quickly, and then I set another goal and my life continue. There are times that I do think things are impossible and want to give up, like when I wait until last night to do my project with a half-asleep brain and eyes that do not want to open. However, I stay up as long as I have to because I know I can and will finish the project. And most importantly, I believe in myself. Also, when I moved to the United States, the only English words I know are pretty much yes and no, but I do not give up. I try my best to learn as much as I can, but learning a new language is formidable. Sometimes I feel hopeless and just want to give up because I have no idea what the teacher is teaching or what my classmates are talking about. Additionally, I feel aloof and wish everyone would speak the same language as me, but wishes never come true. Fortunately, I believe in myself and try my best, and in return I get better at English. However, I still have a thick accent that I wish I could rid of. But it does not matter how many books I read or how many words I speak because I still have the accent. Sometimes I'm thinking that I am just not trying hard enough. But then I also realize that I have accomplished a lot by believing in myself. Do not get me wrong, sometimes I do give up because no one is perfect, but I refuse to let it happen next time. The worst thing can happen is trying to do things that it's not trying to do things that you know you can. Believing in myself is the most powerful things that succors me to face challenges that pop up unexpected every day. When things seem impossible, I made it possible, and not many things are impossible to me anymore. In conclusion, belief in myself is the best tool I have to get through life, and one day my accent will be gone.